This is a fun case. This is the Torras Ostand Q3 Air for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I was sent these to review, so let me show you a closer look. These colors are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. We've got a magnetic MagSafe ring grip. Oh, that spins. We've got 4 corner airbags for incredible protection in there. Check this out. On the top and on the bottom, there's that glossy section. The world's first airbag protection, apparently, on the top and the bottom. You can actually see through that air cushion. Do you see that? So cool looking, but also the function of it to protect your phone is amazing. And here it is on the bottom. Just so cool. See how that bumper goes in? It's really going to help absorb impact. It's quite firm. And then on the back, also very hard, PC back. Let's go ahead and pop a phone in there. We're gonna go on the top left and right, and then the bottom left and right. It's very, very snug, but a perfect fit. Slightly opaque, so the color of your phone is going to come through and then kind of be faded. It looks really, really cool. I am kind of obsessed with this. You've got really great protection, the raised bezel over your lenses, and on the flip side, the whole way around your phone. And I love the coloring here because it is a fun frame they give you that matches your case, whichever color you get. On the sides, you've got the dot texture for an extra grippy frame, but it's not tacky or rubbery. It's a really great texture. And then you've got the shiny top and bottom. There's your dot grip again. And then on the bottom, your S Pen, easy access. Everything is just precisely cut out and perfect. I love the orange buttons. You see that a lot with Torras. Personally, I love the orange, but you can swap them out. The buttons that come that you can swap out actually match the case. So this one is like a metallic light purple. This one is like a metallic teal, kind of light green. And this one is kind of like a light grayish for this one. Like so. So if you wanted to blend more seamlessly with the color of your frame, then you can swap those out really easily. The instructions are on the back. So just push it inward and it'll pop out. Same thing for this. There we go. Then we're gonna install, just make sure that the colored part goes on the outside, and you're gonna install it the exact opposite way. Just boom, pops into place. Much easier to install than to uninstall, but both are pretty easy. Just snaps in, and there we go. That is the look as opposed to the orange, which I actually prefer the orange, but you have both options. This magnet features 18N magnet, so it's gonna be a really strong hold with things like this magnetic car phone mount. It does spin, so I want to show you this from the inside, that nothing is moving or touching your phone in there. It's perfectly protected, not going to get scratched up. It's also going to provide a steady wireless charge. This is going to be great because it's so adjustable at like every angle basically, and then it rotates. It does snap every 90 degrees. But just so adjustable. You can use it like a ring grip, a vertical kickstand, literally can get it vertical, straight up and down. No more double chin when you're doing selfies and streaming. You can also go really low down, vertical, horizontal, you name it. This is a really great kickstand. The kickstand is completely integrated. It does not add any bulk. The only bulk is the frame around your lenses to protect those, but it remains very slim, pocket friendly, gorgeous. If you're looking for possibly the most or one of the most unique, functional, and amazing cases to protect your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, this is it, guys. This is it from Torras. I love it, and I know you will too.